Hey guys, this is Brian, aka Texas Treasures. I'm bringing another What Sold video. These are items I sold yesterday on eBay. Today's January 8th, 2019. I source things at flea markets, garage sales, thrift stores, storage units. By the way, I'm excited because I just bought another storage unit, which I will be posting a video on the things I found in that. I think there might be some goodies in there, guys, so you do want to stay tuned for that video. So let's get straight into it. These are things I sold profit on eBay, and these items sold yesterday. All right, and today's video will be short. Only got two items that sold yesterday, but they both were pretty nice pickups. All right, here's the first one. This sold on eBay. We have a pair of Johnston & Murphy men's black chukka boots with the side zipper. If you watch my videos, you'll see I sell a lot of boots. Men's boots sell really well. These sold for $39.95. I believe I paid about $5 for these at a thrift store. Once you take out the fees and the cost of shipping, left me a profit of $21.64. So men's boots are always a staple, and be looking for them. And of course, do your research on eBay, but the men's boots are good. All right, and here I was really pleased with this. Another eBay sell. Here we have a set of plates. These are vintage Franciscan Ondine. It was a 6-piece plate set. Platinum mod, rare floral dinner salad. I picked these plates up at a thrift store. It's been a while back. Now plates move a little bit slower. But if you do your research, you can find that some of them sell for good money. These sold for $119.95. This is a rare floral pattern. And if you look on the back of plates, you'll usually find the brand and some other information. And you can look these up on eBay or WorthPoint. I actually use WorthPoint also. And I discovered that there are very few of these patterns on this plate. And they actually accepted an offer for $100 plus $19.95 shipping, but I only paid $10 for these, so that left me a profit of $80.59. Makes me realize I do need to get back into regularly sourcing plates, because I've had a couple of plates sell recently for really good money. Plates can make you money, so be on the lookout for those. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you have subscribed, consider hitting that bell button so you'll be notified when new videos are released. And go ahead and smash that like button and comment below. What's your favorite item to source? I source a lot of things, but I'm curious, what do you like to source? Comment below, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Until then, happy treasure hunting, and we'll see you.